Hello everyone, my name is Kim. Welcome back to another Leetcode section. Today we're going to solve the problem of valid anagram. Given two string S and T, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. So we're going to look at this question one by one. What is an anagram exactly? It is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letter of a different word. If it's happened exactly the same, which means its output is true. So why don't we just get some of the example of anagram. S equal to listen. T equal to silent. So this is basically S is an anagram of T because when you check the letter, S is exactly the same. It's the same. L showed up as well. E, T, and then N. So everything, the frequency of these two is equal to each other. Every letter showed up as one. Another example of an anagram could be A, B, C, T, obviously C, B, A. This is basically an anagram as well because the frequency of each letter showed up exactly the same. Give us some example which are not really clearly. In Leetcode, we do have rat, the Audi car. So although R and A, A and R show up the same, but we have T and C. It only showed up once in its letter, so this is false. It's not an anagram. And these are true. Because we are calculating the frequency of each letter, we have one technique is using a dictionaries and calculate each letter. So let's say R, A, T. Everything showed up once frequency, exactly for car. So you see everything showed up once, right? But these two dictionaries is not the same. What is the base case that we can think of? For example, we have an S is an A, B, and then T is ABC. So basically, right at the back, we see number of letter in S only 2, and the T is 3. So basically, right at the beginning, we make it 4 when the length of S is different than the T. So this is the length. It's different. Now we code it out. We just need to write the base case first. So the base case, if the length of S already different than the length of T, we'll know exactly that it's gonna return false. We don't have to do anything. So we create a dictionary to calculate the frequency of each letter in S and T. So now we loop through each element in each character in S, 4 characters in S. Now we want to calculate the frequency of character in S. So we're gonna put the element is characters equal to, we use the formulas which pretty popular that you can remember. So we want to get characters count in S, otherwise it becomes 0. Just +1 here. So basically this is using to count the character frequency in S. So we do exactly the same for T. Okay, change the T exactly to. Okay. So after we have two dictionary together, we will be able to just return, if they are the same, then we can return true. If not, by default, this is false. If they are equal to T. I think the only problem, or one of the things to remember in this question, would just be use this formulas to calculate the frequency of each characters. Okay, make a bit smaller. Okay, so let me run my solution. Okay, it's accepted. Runtime 55 ms. Okay, test case, submit. Perfect. Beat 18%. What is the time and space complexity of this question? So the time complexity is O of n. It's because we need to iterate over S and T each individually. And n is the length of S and T. And the space complexity is also O of n because we use two dictionaries S and T to store the characters frequency of string S and T. Okay, hope you learned something from this question. Let me know what your comment below and see you in the next class. Bye.